Hello guys, how are you? Here you can see a symbol and I think you know that is pi. Okay, if someone asks you the definition of pi, then what will be the answer from you? Okay, it's very easy. Let's appreciate it here. Suppose this is a circle, this is center and this is diameter. Always diameter is 2r. R is radius and the circumference or periphery of the circle is 2 pi r. Now the definition of the pi is the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle is called pi. Just prove it. 2 pi r divided by 2r. Circumference divided by diameter. Okay, here 2 cancel, r cancel, here remain pi. That is the definition. And what is the value of pi? Well, in general the value of pi is 3.1416 or 22 divided by 7. But in geometry the angular value of pi is on 80 degree. Okay,